Plumbing problems are never fun, and they often don't come alone, especially when water damage gets to areas that are difficult to reach or, even worse, structural parts of your home. Leaking pipes inside your walls can go unnoticed until they've already caused significant damage to your wall, floor, or electrical system. If you suspect there's a leaking pipe in your wall, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to find the signs of a leak, the repair options, and the costs involved in fixing the issue. So how do you know if you have a leaking pipe inside your wall? Leaks can be tricky because sometimes the damage is subtle, or it can happen fast and become noticeable. Here are some key signs to look out for. First, look for peeling paint or wallpaper. Water can cause the adhesive to break down, causing it to peel off the wall. Mold spots are another common indicator. Mold thrives in damp environments, so if you see mold growing on your walls, you might have a leak behind it. A strange, musty smell in a particular spot of the house is another telltale sign. This could indicate water is accumulating behind the wall, leading to mold or mildew growth. If you hear a persistent dripping sound from inside the wall, that's a pretty clear sign that water is leaking from a pipe. A sudden increase in your water bill can also point to a hidden leak. Leaks often go unnoticed until your water usage spikes. Swollen or distorted walls or floors are another clear sign that water has been leaking for a while, causing materials to swell or warp. If you notice one or more of these signs, it's time to investigate further to confirm whether you have a leaking pipe. The next step is diagnosing the leak. One of the best ways to diagnose a hidden leak is through the water meter test. Here's how it works. First, find your water meter and record the current reading. Then turn off all appliances and faucets in your home and don't use any water for several hours. After the waiting period, check the meter again. If the meter has moved, it's a sign you may have a leak somewhere in your plumbing system. To locate the exact spot of the leak, plumbers often use tools like infrared cameras or moisture meters. These specialized devices can detect moisture behind your walls without the need for destructive methods. While it's tempting to try and locate the leak yourself, it's best to call a licensed plumber. They have the right equipment and expertise to pinpoint the leak and prevent unnecessary damage to your walls or other structural elements. If you're in the Santa Cruz area and dealing with a leaking pipe, call Anytime Plumbing. We offer expert plumbing services and will ensure that your repairs are done right the first time. Reach us today for an in-house consultation and a fair estimate.